talk, pink polos, I hurt the ride before Cam got the shit to pop. The doors is closed. I felt like bad boy.
Giving it to me like low maintenance hairstyle. I'm gonna just zoom in so you guys can see the hairline. I actually didn't decide to do any baby hairs. Like I said, it's just hot, so the easier the hairstyle, the better. I absolutely hope you guys enjoy. Super quick, throw on and go type of deal. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and let's get straight into it.
Stop playing with him.
Devinci and his bitch. Okay. I'm so bad I got him twerking with me and his bitch.
Okay, so we're back with another wig install. This wig is from Westkiss. I actually really like their hair. This is what the wig looks like, the inside construction. As you guys can see, it's got a lot of lace parting. You got some straps, a beautiful long wig. I'm gonna start off by putting it on my head just to see like sizing wise, fit wise, because I'm gonna do something a little different today. It on my scalp, it actually looks really good. What we're gonna do, I said I was gonna do something different, but I don't think we're gonna do nothing different. Once it gets tacky a bit, then I will go in. I normally use 2 lights, but we're having a heat crisis, so 1 light it is. You're so cute. My daughter's in here with me. Okay, so like I said, this hair is from Westkiss. They do give you a little bag, beautiful red bag. I did get the 13x4, 22 inches, medium cap size, 180 density hair. So that is a bunch of hair. You get a wig cap, you get a bonnet, you get some lashes, and you also get a edges brush and a Westkiss melt belt. Absolutely love that. Once it's like starting to get tacky, it's actually not tacky yet, so I'm going to like wait it out a bit, but once it's a bit tacky, that's when you're gonna go in and start finessing the hairline. Okay, you want to work? Okay, give me a second, baby. Okay, so like head spacing wise, I don't know how big head friendly this actually is. Am I ready for what?
Me.
No?
I to say hi.
Not yet. The longer you have this on, the better. What I am gonna do is briefly be right back. I'm going to let this sit and then I'm gonna cut the edges off without you. I know. Be right back. Okay, so you guys, my camera died. So during the process of my camera dying, I just went and cut the lace. And what I did notice was that this wig isn't really big head friendly because I don't have the biggest of the heads. I definitely don't think that this wig is big head friendly, minus the fact that you can tailor this wig to your head. I got a medium cap size, so if you guys do have a bigger cap size, do be sure to order the larger cap size. Okay, I've noticed that it's actually easier to cut the lace off before putting it on your head, especially in heat waves. It's hot out here in Los Angeles, California, and if you're not securing your wig with actually like glue bond, like lace glue, and you're using something like the spray that I used, when it's time to cut your lace off, your lace is going to be lifting because it's not like an extreme hold. So to combat that problem, do be sure to cut off the lace beforehand, okay? And just so y'all know, I'm chatty a lot, but this is the hair. I decided to bleach the knots because the knots were a bit brown and I like my hair more blonde. And this is what the hair looks like air dried. So this is like a straight texture, but I did comb out the hair and I'm not going to straighten it. Like, this is what we're going to be left with, okay? So let's take it off together. Okay, so just straight out of the package, I'm just going to just go in with the brush that they gave us. No baby hairs because they're not really a necessity, especially when it's hot. Like, I'm just telling you guys, for me, when it's hot, the less work, the better. So I just kind of like comb at the edges because with that spray, I did have to go in and spray like the hairline again. So we're just lightly doing this so we don't like mess up the hairline, or better yet, lift our lace. Okay, so be careful with this part. Okay, so this is what the hairline looks like. Okay, I do think that it is a gorgeous hairline. Everything is giving nice and natural. The lace itself was white, so if you wanted to go in and fix that, do be sure to go in with some kind of powder, but I like the hair the way it is. So this is the way I'm going to be rocking it. Okay, like I said, I did not straighten the hair. All I did was bleach the knots, and then I even kept the middle part that came with the part. So if you ever have a style that you already want to do in mind, let your hair dry in that style. It's going to be so easy. So this is the final look. We have a special guest that wants to come say hi. How do you like mommy's hair?
It's beautiful.
Oh, you think it's beautiful?
Mm-hmm.
That is so sweet. How's your day going?
And then is want to take a picture.
Oh, you want to take a picture?
Yeah.
Oh, look, we're looking up here. Let's go take a picture. And I'm not flat ironing it because it's a heat wave. So I absolutely love it. I would really just tuck it behind my ear, call it a little day. Okay, as you guys can see, it's a 13 by 4 and it is a frontal. So you do have that parting space all throughout, okay? So you guys, when it comes to this West Kiss hair, I absolutely adore it. Like I said, I did not flat iron it or anything like that. We have 100+ degree weather out here, so like the easier, the low maintenance, the better. This hair is bomb. Like the color is giving it to me. I absolutely love it. I don't really think the medium cap size that I got is big head friendly, so do be sure to measure your head. If you do have a bigger head, do be sure to go for a larger cap size. I think in the future I probably would go for a large cap size just for the easiness, you know, like it's easier to maneuver a bigger cap than it is to maneuver a smaller cap. But I love this hair. It's giving it to me. Like it's making me feel so gorgeous, so cute. I know they're about to transition into fall, so I do think that these little chocolate highlights, like this is just so damn cute. So I hope you guys enjoyed this super quick video.